Hello everyone. This question regarding from aldehyde ketone carboxylic acid. So in this question, what are the concepts will be involved? Ozonolysis, Fehling test, and iodoform test. So let me solve this question. Alkene with the molecular formula C5H10, which undergo it's a ozonolysis. So as you know very well, in every alkene functional group, the alkene it's treated with the ozonolysis. Now what will happen? We will get the two number of carbonyl compounds we will going to get through the ozonide intermediate. So if you undergo the ozonolysis of the alkene, it's a two stoichiometry of the two carbonyl system, we are going to get that. Okay, so here what will happen, the mixture of compound B and C will be formed. So compound B, it gives the positive Fehling test. So what is a Fehling test? It's a confirmation test for aliphatic aldehyde. So okay, in Fehling test, it's not it's not producing the aromatic aldehyde. It is a aliphatic aldehyde. So what is that? So compound B, it's a aldehyde will be confirmed. And now also react with the iodine, in presence of what? Sodium hydroxide. So what is the test? It is a iodoform test. Okay, so it's also give the positive test for the iodoform test. In iodoform test, okay, so it's a, what are the conformation functional group will be present? It's a carbonyl functional group. It's attached with what? CH3 or CH3. Okay, in the alcohol also what? In that first, okay, in this carbon connectivity, I have the methyl group and a C and a OH group also is present. So this is the main conformation test for iodoform test. So obviously this is a aldehyde functional group, means in that particular aldehyde functional group, okay, the R group, it must be the CH3. So, and what is the next step? Compound C does not give the Fehling test. So we can predict that it's a not confirmation. Okay, definitely in the compound C there is a no aldehyde will be present. Okay, here aldehyde does not be present, so it might be the ketone. Okay, and one more point, but forms iodoform. What is the meaning that? So in the iodoform test means, if it is a CH3 consists of what? C double bond O. In that carbonyl compound, I have the methyl system. So now according to the in the alkene formula, here I have the C5H10 means. So what are the compound should be present in this compound? So here I have the carbon and the hydrogen. So carbon number 1, if you analyze that, attached with the hydrogen, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we will satisfy with the 5 number of it's a 5 number of carbon, and if you count the number of hydrogen, it's a 3, 4, and 4 plus 3, it's a 7 and 10. Okay, so now our molecular formula will be coincident with the B and C. So what is our guessing compound of the alkene? So alkene, it must be the first carbon of the position. It consists of the CH3 and a hydrogen, and the second position, okay, in this, okay, this is would be the first carbon, this is the second carbon. In the second carbon would be the, it's a CH3 and a CH3. So now how many number of carbon? It's a C5 carbon, and total number of hydrogen will be 10. So what is that? What is that A compound? A compound, it is a alkene system. The answer is a CH3, C double bond C, methyl group and methyl group. So now what is that compound name? So it choose the IUPAC nomenclature. According to the IUPAC nomenclature, it choose the longest hydrocarbon derivative. So it give the number of the position 1, 2, 3 and 4. So here I have the substitution of the methyl group and the third position. Therefore it is a 3-methyl butene. So what about the B compound? The B compound, it is the ethanol. I mean CH3 C double bond OH. It's a acetaldehyde. And now what is the C compound? The C compound, it is a acetone. CH3 C double bond O and CH3. Okay, thanks for watching.